Hey guys, Chevy All Red here. I'm out here with the truck today. I'm gonna be doing my brakes. I got the new Power Stop kit yesterday from Summit, so I'm gonna put that on right now. It might be a two-part video since I haven't figured out how to, do all the video editing stuff and everything. But I'm gonna get it done today. So I'm getting everything unbolted right now, all the old stuff, and then I got all the new stuff inside. Got to pack all the bearings and everything, but it should be pretty easy. It's still a pretty good grease in this bearing. I'm surprised. So yeah, bring you guys back in a minute. All right, guys, as you can see, got the old rotor off, and surprisingly, these rotors hasn't been off about 3 or 4 years, and it's still pretty good grease in here. I'm gonna clean all this up and get a wire brush and brush off all the brake stuff. Get some brake cleans. Spindle looks pretty good still. And yeah, I'm gonna finish it up and bring you back in a minute when I finish up this. I still gotta pull the caliper off and get the new ones on there. So yeah, I'm gonna get it cracking today, man. Out here in the sun by myself, all up in the heat. It's all good though. Bring you back in a minute. All right, guys, got the new rotor out. I didn't get off all the old grease. If you can see it, I didn't get it off. Got a plan for that actually. I got all my bearings and everything right here. Some from AutoZone. I was gonna order some from Summit, but they didn't have any in stock. So I went to AutoZone, got some. So I guess it's gonna mount that way, I guess, because it doesn't distinguish left or right. I'm just not seeing it somewhere. I gotta clean it off and everything still. It doesn't say left or right on this thing nowhere. I don't think it does. It just says 116 on the bolts. That's about it. But I don't see any markings on it. So I'm gonna get these bearings packed and hang the rotor, tackle the caliper last for a reason, and yeah, I'm gonna call it good. Alright, guys, got the rotor hung. Gotta put the new cotter pins in and the castle nut and tackle that caliper still, and then this ought to be done. So everything is about sitting right there. Those are the brake pads and calipers over there. Rotors behind for the passenger side, but this is a fairly easy installation. I've been at it for probably about, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe 30, about 30 minutes maybe. I've been going in and out the house a lot because it's kind of hot outside, and my garage is full, so I can't pull in the garage and do it, but this is a fairly easy installation, man. Just basic tools, man. Some grease, some bearings, and a little bit of time, and you got your brake upgrade. So finish up this and bring you to the other side and finish up with it. All right, later. All right, guys, ran into a little problem with the cotter pins. So I bought new cotter pins, and I thought they was gonna be big enough. I mean, small enough to fit in the hole, but they wasn't. So had to go get some more. So these in and brake caliper still, and I'm done this side. All right, cool. All right, guys, so I'm back. Got everything kind of like mocked up, bolted up, whatever. So on the reviews of this brake kit, which is part number c1500 Power Stop brakes, the paint on these really suck. I dropped it on my cardboard here and scuffed it on the ears. Fairly sorry paint job, but I guess we'll find out how good they really stop. Almost done here. Alright, guys, driver's side's all done. Got it all cleaned up, got the brakes bled and cleaned off the rotor. Looks dirty, but it's clean. And move on to the passenger side now. having bad allergies today. This one done, I'm done. I might wash it after that, but I don't know. I gotta do the break-in process still. So, catch y'all in a minute.